over here. Now I figured if we're doing the carburetor, we might as well also do the spark plug and the oil. Let's see if I can do this without taking anything else off. I got this, what is it, a Denso. Yeah, it was recommended by Loncin, I guess. That is stuck. Okay, yeah, we got that loose. That was stuck on there. I guess all you're seeing is my hands, but here we have it. And what's coming out is an N9YC. What's going in is a W20 EPR. No idea. Let's see if it works. At least they're the same length. That's a good start. Okay. That's fairly tight. That back on. Now, all that is left is the oil. I'll keep the old spark plug because it actually still works. If I have a problem with this new one, I can swap it out. Oil will drain out there with an M10, but as you can see, if I would open that, it would spill all over everything. So my options are to either suck out the oil first as much as I can, then maybe only drain the last bit, or see if I can put some kind of funnel in between there that catches it. Let's see what we have. So I got my two options here. I got this giant pump suction thingy to suck out oil, but I also found a funnel that might just kind of, yeah, that could work. And then I have a 1 liter empty oil bottle, and there's supposed to be 600 milliliters in here, so that should work. I have to move you a bit here. Okay, let's see if I can get that under the funnel properly. It's not ideal. It's not ideal. Okay, let's start with just taking out as much of the oil as I can. Like so. Doesn't that sound wonderful? Not that much oil came out though. Probably have to push it a bit further. I feel like it's not going all the way down. I'm not nearly getting all of the oil here. So no other choice but to make a mess over there. Well, let's get to it then. Let's take it off. Go. Oh yeah, this is working. It's just going into the jug. Let's see if I can... No, you can see that. I'm just gonna let that drain for a while. See if I can help it a little bit. That's the compressor, of course. Now it's only 600 milliliters, so I think that might be all. Now I can't get that last bit out, so I'm just gonna put a rock under the wheel here. Oops. Anyway, put it on its side. That should help with that last bit of oil. Yeah, that certainly helps. This is about it. Let's push out a little bit more with the compressor. Yeah, really nothing coming out anymore. Okay, remove the stones. And then we can put the bolt back in. Make my contraption here. This is 1 liter bottle, and we are up to here. Yeah, that's 600 ml, perfect. Perfect. The oil drain block back in. Reasonably tight. Here we got 600 milliliters of SAE30. Exactly what it needs. Just threw the whole bottle in there. We will need to check if it's not overfilled now. This can be screwed back on. Machine neutral. Get the retaining pin. It slides in here. Back. Get the grass catcher.